This will blow your mind. Imagine discovering a dusty relic that could rewrite everything we know about technology. Meet the Antikythera Mechanism, a mysterious artifact pulled from a Roman-era shipwreck in 1901. It looks like a pile of bronze gears and dials, but archaeologists soon realized it's far more. A 2,000-year-old analog computer. It predicted solar eclipses, lunar phases, and even the ancient Greek Olympics. Scientists studied it for decades. Therefore, each gear revealed the stunning sophistication of Greek engineering. But wait, was it just human ingenuity, or did its precision hint at something celestial? Debate rages. Some suggest ancient otherworldly help, while others see it as a testament to human innovation. So what? As technology advances, we still catch mere glimpses of our ancestors' brilliance. Are our past mysteries future keys? The Antikythera Mechanism challenges everything we thought we knew about history and leaves us asking, what else is out there waiting to be discovered?